In this new era, when cryptocurrencies are roaring across the horizon, major companies and organizations around the world are trying their best to develop new cryptocurrencies and create revolutionary of cryptocurrency with blockchain technology. And under such an overall situation and trend, more and more companies have joined cryptocurrency communities. However, there is no powerful, faster, and easier to operate cryptocurrency to fiat trading platform. That is why Coinovy, our platform, is born. The core product of Coinovy is the C2F, Crypto to Fiat, which means the system mechanism of cryptocurrencies exchange against legal currencies. You can exchange all kinds of virtual currencies to legal currencies by using a mobile phone app in 3 steps within only 60 seconds. With simple operation, transparent process, and rapid completion, Coinovy simplifies all complicated procedures so virtual currency holders from all over the world can experience the superior convenience of the new financial era. Any excellent leading brand must be managed by a wise leader. Mr. Saeed Tesh, who once founded LaunchMyICO Private Limited, Chakravuyha Software Technologies Private Limited, and DLT Labs LLC, is the co-founder of Coinovy. Mr. Saeed Tesh has extensive experience in the application of financial and blockchain technology, and the companies under his leadership have won numerous awards and honors and have become a top brand of recognition in this field. Mr. Saeed Tesh has strong confidence and positive attitude towards the financial markets where blockchain technology is rising. At the same time, he firmly believes that the success and contribution that can be created by Coinovy in the future will bring extraordinary influence. Coinovy allows users to complete all cryptocurrency trade through a mobile phone app perfectly. The main features of Coinovy include crypto wallet, Coinovy Visa card, built-in exchange, crypto shop, IBAN, loan, T2c, crypto bridge, prediction, staking, and earn. As mentioned earlier, one of the most powerful features of Coinovy is that it can complete the exchange transaction within 60 seconds, which is significantly ahead of other similar platforms. As a custody account managed by BitGo.com, Coinovy's top-notch technical security guarantees and allows users to make all forms of transactions with peace of mind. Let's reveal the top 10 features of Coinovy. 1. The most important fact of crypto wallets is the safety of its assets. Coinovy provides users with 100% confidence, as BitGo insures through a syndicate of insurers in Lloyd's of London and a consortium of insurance companies in the European marketplace. 2. Supported by Visa and available in both virtual and physical forms, the Coinovy Debit Card can be used at any merchant or be withdrawn where Visa is accepted around the world. Users can convert their cryptocurrencies into fiat without going through an exchange at all. Such a convenient process will definitely bring an extraordinary experience. 3. Coinovy's built-in exchange has successfully created a unique mode that allows users to exchange between any currencies and even withdraw it through any bank account, which makes virtual currency transactions much easier. 4. Users are able to purchase encrypted assets with fiat through Coinovy's mobile application. 5. As long as an account is registered in Coinovy, you will receive a free international bank account number, IBAN, which allows you to make fund deposit, transfer, and pay easily. 6. Coinovy also provides a loan mechanism that allows you to obtain a loan of up to $5,000 with 1% interest by using cryptocurrency as collateral. 7. The T2c Mechanism is a function pioneered by Coinovy, which is used to exchange tokens to Coinovy. This feature allows token holders to liquidate and use their products by enabling new token companies to be listed on Coinovy. 8. Coinovy's Crypto Bridge provides a connection platform that allows tokens or data to be transferred between two different blockchain ecosystems. This is very important for advanced users to leverage the benefit for both different blockchains. 9. The artificial intelligence algorithm adopted by Coinovy is able to predict cryptocurrency's fluctuation more accurately to assist users and traders in making their trading decisions. 10. Coinovy provides a staking and earn mechanism that allows crypto holders to get rewards by staking their coin in the Coinovy ecosystem. This mechanism even allows some users to make profits without needing to trade or actively participate in the market, which is a fairly stable way of profiting. Coinovy is leading the brand that opens up a new prospect. We are strong enough to face the projected challenges and difficulties. Join us. You will be the first to get more advantages. We started from the Southeast Asian market and are gradually becoming the focus of new finance in the world. Coinovy, new era of crypto world.